Hey guys, welcome back to Bartow Diving. So today was a big day. So what we did today is we went and we just cleaned the river. So we went and the city gave us a inmate work detail, so the inmates came out and helped us clean it up. So what the plan was today is what we did is we would use lift bags where you add air to them and they lift. We had everything from 250 pounds down, the ability to lift, and by connecting different ones we could lift really heavy stuff out. So what we would do today is we lift bag the heavy things out. Jamie was on the bank, it was connected to a rope. Jamie would pull it to the bank, they would set it on the bank, and then the inmates were putting the things on the trailer. And we just got a ton of stuff out of the water. Some of the bigger things that we got was a safe that I imagine was taken in a robbery, a motorcycle that I believe was stolen, a shotgun that obviously most likely was stolen. Everybody always asks, do we turn in the firearms? Yes, absolutely. We know that no one's going to just toss in a good firearm or good weapon into the river for no apparent reason. It was probably used in a crime, it was probably stolen, so those always get turned in. There was a fire hydrant, a cigarette vending machine, all kinds of metal, all kinds of trash, bottles, broken glass, just all kinds of stuff that we got out today. We even found someone's wallet that was turned into the sheriff's department, so hopefully they'll get their credit cards and licenses and things like that back that was in the wallet. So we just found all kinds of stuff today. So big shout out to the guys that helped us today. Obviously the city sent us the inmate work detail, and that was a big help. It was myself, Mouse, there was Tommy or Manatee, there was Jamie, which is our normal crew, and then also Wynn from Dive Georgia, or the Kraken. He came out, Willie Brown from Chili Willie Scuba Diving, which by the way is who certified me to dive. So if you're looking for a good dive instructor, you want to get certified, check out Chili Willie Scuba. I'm sure he's on Facebook or any other social media like that. He was a really good instructor. He was really easy to understand. I felt really comfortable in the water the whole time that I was training. So if you need to get certified, if you're looking to do some of this stuff with us or come out and hang out with us, check him out. He's a really good instructor. Also Vic from Blue Cord Diving was there. So if you guys ever lose anything in say Lake Alatuna or something like that, they go down, they get the things that you dropped off your boat or something like that. So big shout out to those guys for helping us out today. So just enjoy the video and check out some of the things we found. All right.
Look at all that. Look at all that.
purge valve got stuck. I got a gun. It's a rifle. Or a shotgun, baby. Tommy,
Yeah.
I think I got a shotgun.
You have it in your hand?
Yeah,
Hold it up.
it's in the bag.
Good.
Mouse did 9/11.